How to increase your Bank of America credit limit. The amount a credit card holder can spend on a card is called a credit line limit or credit limit. Cardholders can request a credit limit increase at any time, but increases to a credit card limit may happen automatically when a card issuer conducts a periodic review. Credit increases can lead to improvements in a cardholder's credit score and overall credit history as long as healthy spending habits and low credit utilization are maintained. How to increase your Bank of America credit limit. You can request a credit limit increase by logging into your Bank of America online banking account and filling out a questionnaire. To see if you're eligible for an online request, select your credit card account, then select Request a Credit Line Increase under Card Details in Account Summary. If your account is not eligible for an online request, call the number on the back of the card to speak to a representative. This can, at the least, help you understand how to improve your odds of approval. Be prepared to provide information to Bank of America, like the exact credit line increase amount you want, and total income and monthly housing payment amounts. Bank of America may automatically approve the increase via computer evaluation, or you may have to wait to receive approval after a manual review. Either way, you should receive details of the bank's decision and, if your request is denied, some indication as to why your request was denied. Do credit limit increases happen automatically? Automatic increases are possible for responsible cardholders. Like most other card issuers, Bank of America conducts periodic reviews of credit card accounts to determine eligibility for an automatic credit increase. A credit limit increase can depend on total annual income, monthly housing payment amounts, existing debt, card payment history, and more. Your credit card account must remain in good standing to receive automatic increases. If your income increases, be sure to report it to Bank of America. Always make on-time payments, and don't carry a large balance from month to month. Pros and cons of higher credit limits. Pros of higher credit limits. Having a higher credit limit can be beneficial for anyone looking to increase a credit score or make large purchases. It's usually a sign the account is in good standing with the credit card issuer. You may have a higher income, a history of on-time payments, or a decent credit score. A few pros to having a higher credit limit include lower credit utilization rates. Higher credit limits can decrease cardholders' existing credit utilization ratios by increasing the amount of credit available. The credit utilization rate will drop as long as cardholders maintain healthy spending habits and don't drive the rate up again. Credit score increases. Cardholders can watch a credit score grow with lower credit utilization by making on-time payments and practicing responsible spending habits. More credit available for large purchases. Cardholders can make larger purchases with more available credit, like TVs, large appliances, or home renovations. Don't forget to pay off the balance as soon as possible to avoid interest, preferably before interest is accrued at all. Improve standing for a new car loan or mortgage. Ready to take out a loan for a car or mortgage? A good credit score, low credit utilization, and a high credit limit can show future lenders an applicant is eligible for a big loan and a lower interest rate. Cons of higher credit limits. Higher credit limits can come with risks. Cardholders must spend responsibly after receiving more credit. A few cons to credit limit increases include more available credit can lead to irresponsible spending. Having more available credit can present a temptation to spend more. Cardholders should be wary of spending more than is affordable, or than can be paid off by the end of each billing cycle. Greater risk of debt. Combined with more lavish spending and small monthly card payments, interest can accrue quickly and grow into a cycle of debt. Hard credit inquiries. Some credit limit increase requests can result in a hard credit inquiry performed by a card issuer. If you have too many hard inquiries done in a short amount of time, it can mean a negative effect on your credit score. What to do if your credit limit increase is denied? Bank of America should and usually will provide reasons why a credit limit increase is denied. Cardholders can address those reasons over the following 6 to 12 months by improving spending habits or otherwise improving factors included in the decision to increase a credit limit. Credit limit increases depend on several factors, like annual income, payment history, and existing debt. Requests may be denied if the credit card account is less than 6 months old, has recently received an increase or decrease, is rarely used, or is in poor standing. Make sure to use a Bank of America card responsibly, pay bills on time, and keep the amount of used credit month to month low. Cardholders can apply for a new credit card, either with Bank of America or a different card issuer. In some ways, receiving a new credit card has a similar effect to an increase on another card's credit limit, at least as far as credit utilization ratio and available overall credit go. This can, however, be risky if the cardholder is already in debt or is incapable of paying off balances on time. Additional card applications also come with additional hard inquiries on credit reports. Bottom line, eligible cardholders can request a credit limit increase by logging into an online account or calling the number on the back of a card. Requests may be approved immediately, but in the case of denial, Bank of America will provide the details of its decision. Credit limit increases can happen automatically if the cardholder is in good standing and keeps financial information up to date. Always maintain responsible spending habits and pay balances on time to avoid accruing interest and falling into more debt.